Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about book reading. So, the conventional idea goes that we need to read a lot of books. We need to read one book every week in order to grow ourselves, but that's not true. What we really need to do is we need to read certain few books and absorb that knowledge and integrate that into our system so strongly that guides us in our decision making, because the book only when gets translated into our being, when it comes into our system, all of our nervous system knows that we have to act this particular way, or this is right and this is wrong. It's only when the time we invested in reading is successful. So what we need to do is, rather than reading a lot of books, what we need to do is we need to read a book and integrate that, see what will work for us. Because in reality, there is no one particular rule for anything. Rules are very flexible. They have to be flexible because we have made those rules. So we don't have to get very rigid. If we read something in a book, that's not always necessarily going to be true to you, because you are a unique individual with unique ideas, with unique experiences and unique thoughts and beliefs. The way you perceive life is very different from how others perceive it. Therefore, not every book is meant for you, and not everything you read is going to be relevant in your life. So what you need to do is you need to pick the books according to your nature, read them, and then understand it. And then, when you will experience life slowly, slowly, you will also get deeper meanings into what was written in the book. And that's when you read the book, you experience life, then you again come back to the book, and then you know, oh, this is what the author was trying to say. And this is how you'll keep figuring out life. So keep reading, keep learning, and stay happy. Bye bye.